everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add the charges to purchase invoice in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the All Vouchers menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the voucher type as purchase invoice. Then we have to click the Create Single button. On this purchase invoice page, we have to select the date, GL date, branch, book, party account, reference date. And also we have to enter the reference number. Then we have to click the save button. Now we have to click the pending charges option to pull the charges from job or shipment. Here we have to select the respective charges. Then we have to click the save button. Once charge details are added to the purchase invoice, then we have to click the save changes button. Now we have to change the status created to approved. Then we have to change the status approved to posted. This is how to add the charges to purchase invoice in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.